Hi guys, today we will discuss about patterns. So let's start with the most basic pattern, that is the half triangle. So in these types of questions, what we have to do is we actually have to observe the pattern very carefully. So from this pattern, what we can observe is for input 5, we have this type of pattern, that is the first line. This is the first line, this is second, and so on. So for the first line we have only one star, that is one star, and for second line we have two star. So what we can observe is the number of star in each line is equals to the line number. So we need to implement two loops, nested loops, that is first for the number of lines and second for the number of stars. So what we can do is we can start a loop, for loop, I from 1, I equals to n, that is n in this case is 5, and we'll increment our I, and for each value of I we need a j, that is the number of star, and number of stars will be equals to j will start from what, j will start from 1, and j will be equals to number of line number, that is I, less than equals to I plus plus j, and for each j we will print a star, and after each line we need a next line space, that is cout ending. Okay, so let's see the implementation of pattern. So I'm using Sublime Text as my coding ID. You can use any of the ID. So let's start. First of all, hash include, then IOStream for input output stream, then using namespace, that is for standard input output, and main. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take an input n, that is the number of lines, c in n. So now we will make our introduction, that is for loop int I is equals to, I will start from 1 and I will be equals to n, that is I will go to n, and plus plus I. For each value of I we need j, that is the number of stars. J will start from 1 and j will go up to I, that is the number of stars will be equals to line number. So cout star. So for each value of I, j will go from 1 to I, and after this we need a next line space. So let's save it and let's run it. G++ simple pattern, so no error. So let's give the input as 5. So this is our pattern, so it is absolutely fine and correct. So this is how you can do it, is really easy.